Vibes, where I give you simple but yet sustainable health tips so that you can make being healthy a norm. So today I want to discuss with you how I make my fresh pressed juice and some of the benefits. My daughter is sick right now. She has bronchitis and the flu, and I know that making her some juice will make her feel a little bit better. Now, honestly, I used to juice a lot, like every single day a couple years back, but it was exhausting. Juicing can be very time consuming, from the prep time to the cleanup time. So with prepping, I had to make sure that all of the fruits and my veggies were cut up very nicely in small pieces, because if you want to preserve your juicer, that's something that is really important to take time to do. And then also, that cleanup time was something serious. If I juiced beets, for example, that got all over the place. It stained my counters, and nobody ever shows that when you watch juicing videos. So I just took a little bit of break, but I say that because the benefits of juicing just supersedes all of that prep time, all of that cleanup time, because when you juice, those nutrients are going to hit your bloodstream instantly. Okay, so I did get a brand new juicer, and I'm very excited because it motivated me to go ahead and start juicing. So today I'm going to make a drink or a juice called Double Citrus Carrot. It came in the recipe book with my juicer. So I'm going to share the ingredients with you. This is a great combination of sour citrus, savory celery, and sweet carrots. So if you like citrus, like oranges, this is going to be great. If you like that sour taste, the lemons are going to give you that taste. And then the carrots are going to offset that. It's going to give you a little bit of sweetness. So with these ingredients, it's going to make 20 ounces of juice, just approximately. So what you're going to need, what you're going to need is 2 lemons, okay? And then you're going to need 2 oranges. And then you're going to need about 4 carrots. So I just bought me a bag of carrots. And then you need 4 celery stalks. Okay. All right. So before you start juicing, as I said earlier, you want to make sure that you cut up all of your ingredients, and then you want to make sure that you wash your fruit as well, because that's going to affect the taste. So let's get into it. Okay, this juice is going to be very hydrating and supportive of your skin, vision, and immune system. So the easiest thing for me to do is just to peel the fruit like this. There's different ways, of course, that you can cut up your fruit, but I'll just do it like this. All right. And then with these orange peels, you can actually save them and use them. You can boil you a pot of water, drop these orange peels in there, and it's going to have your house smelling like nice oranges. I just have my bowl here. I think these are small enough. Okay. Ooh, got some juice in my face. So as you know, oranges are very high in vitamin C. And when I get sick, I like to juice my own oranges because a lot of the store-bought orange juice is filled with other things in there that you don't want. So if you just juice oranges like this, and only oranges as the #1 ingredient, you're going to get that fresh press OJ with a lot of benefits. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my fruit bowl. Okay, now I'm going to use about 4 carrots. Some of these carrots are big though. This one is humongous. Look at that. Okay, so something that I like to do is just me. I don't like the taste of the carrots with the skin on there. So I'm gonna just take the time to take off the skin. Carrots are good for your eyes. When I think about carrots, I think about the doctrine of signatures. The doctrine of signatures basically says that your food aligns and looks like the different body parts. So when you think about carrots, think about your eyes. They're definitely shaped like your eyes. See, this stuff can get really messy. This is the stuff you don't see, but I'm going to show you. Okay, and now I go ahead and chop them up. Carrots. All right, now I have my lemons. Okay. The last ingredient that we have is the celery sticks. Remember, go ahead and wash this because celery can get really dirty. You can actually see the dirt on it, so give it a good wash. Now, celery is a hydration powerhouse. It's about 95% water, helping support hydration and electrolyte balance. It's also going to reduce inflammation because it has these antioxidants that may calm the body. It's also going to support digestion, reduce bloating. It's good for heart health. It may help support healthy blood pressure because it has potassium in it. And it's also going to hydrate your skin. All right, guys, so now it's time to juice. Everything is all ready to go. And yeah, let's get this party started. I'm gonna put my carrots on here. The It's important that you layer it like this so you don't mess up your juicer. I learned the first time the hard way. So although it takes a little bit of time, it's definitely worth it. I get excited every time I see all of this colorful food. Hope you do too. Your pulp should be dry. If you have a juicer that doesn't get this pulp dry, you need to get a new one. You can use this pulp to make different things. I actually ate one. Doesn't taste that bad. Almost finished. All right, let's go. I love how this comes with a strainer. Still coming out. Okay, here is the juice. Just gonna go ahead and pour me some. Fresh pressed juice.